1:38 p.m. last Thursday, a sweltering, humid afternoon in Ahmedabad. Air India Flight 171, bound for London, takes off. Suddenly, the Boeing Dreamliner descends rapidly. About 30 seconds later, it crashes into the cafeteria of a medical college hostel where people are having lunch.
मगर 1.25 लाख लीटर ईंधन विमान के अंदर ही था और लगभग गर्मी तापमान इतना ऊंचा हो गया कि किसी को बचाने की मौका ही नहीं मिला.
242 passengers and crew were on board. Only one passenger survived, miraculously seen hobbling away from the flaming debris. On the ground, dozens more are killed. The scale of devastation immediate and overwhelming.
मेरे घर से और छोकरे कल दिखे नहीं रहे 2 दिन से तो तीसरा दिन हुआ है.
Prahlad's wife, Sarlaban Thakur, was a cook at the hostel for more than a decade. Last Thursday, she took her 2-year-old granddaughter Adhya with her to work. Immediately after the crash, Prahlad desperately searched the site for them before escaping the unbearable conditions.
देखने जब तो सब जल रहा था, धुआं निकल रहा था और पानी छांट रहे थे हम लोगों पे पाइप से और दिखने में कुछ आया नहीं, सब अंधारा और भरा लाते थे. फिर हम बाहर आ गए, आंखों जल रही थी, फिर चले आए बाहर.
Since then, he's been walking the same punishing path between the crash site and the city hospital's mortuary. Despite the heat and the stench of death, he returns each day, pleading with authorities to let him back inside.
देखना तो पड़ा, ढूंढना तो पड़ा ना. हमारी औरत क्या बलेली है, क्या मगज में कुछ लगेला है, कि कोई माथे भुजरा सा आ गया, गिर गई है कि नहीं, कुछ तपास तो करनी पड़ेगी, नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. अपनी औरत को आपने तो पहचाने या नहीं पहचाने, बच्ची को और इसको क्या है क्या नहीं है, तो आपको कैसे पता लगेगा नहीं जाओ तो.
The family lives nearby. Both he and Sarlaban worked at the cafeteria. Now, everything's changed.
तबलीग है कोई, मेरा एक ही छोकरा है, ये छोकरा एक औरत है बस. बोले मेरी मम्मी मिलती नहीं है.
In the hours after the crash, families lined up, offering DNA samples to help identify the remains of their loved ones, now so badly burned there are no whole bodies left. But the process is slow and for many, frustratingly opaque. Rafiq lost his nephew, Javed Ali Sayed. Javed's wife, Mariam, and their 2 children, Zain and Amani, were also killed.
मुझे वो बच्चे इन्होंने रिकवरी किया कि नहीं किया, इनके पास वो बच्चे हैं या नहीं है. मुझे जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल रही है बच्चे नहीं है, तो मैं नहीं बैठ सकता सर. मैं बच्चे लिए बिगड़ जाऊंगा नहीं, मैं भी इधर आत्महत्या कर लूँगा क्या अगर मेरे बच्चे नहीं मिले तो.
The rest of the family is in disbelief.
मैम सीरियसली बोलूँ, मेरी उम्मीद अभी भी नहीं टूटी है. मंथ बाद, 2 मंथ बाद, 3 मंथ बाद, 1 ईयर बाद शायद आ जाए कि मैं वहाँ था और किसी ने मेरे को देखा नहीं.
Javed and his family, British nationals, had come to India to celebrate Eid and help his mother recover after a heart attack.
मदर का अभी तक कोई रिएक्शन नहीं है क्योंकि उनको मालूम ही नहीं है. हमने उनको बिल्कुल बताया नहीं है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी मदर को हार्ट की प्रॉब्लम है एंड आई नो वो सुनेंगी तो मेरे साथ दूसरी ट्रेजेडी हो जाएगी.
For many families, the grief lies in what they lost. For others, the pain comes from what they saw and somehow survived. Urjis Pandya was heading into the cafeteria for lunch when the plane came down.
There was a boom and fire, and the smoke was so much intense that we were not able to see anything. There was a burst of dirt and the similar. I thought that at first it might be an earthquake.
The 22-year-old intern doctor lost 4 friends.
Thinking of them brings goosebumps to me at this moment. They were just having their lunch. It is actually very much overwhelming, because at this moment I hear ambulance sirens in my ears ringing.
India is leading the investigation into what went wrong, with support from US and UK agencies, reportedly focusing on the plane's engine, flaps and landing gear. The nation's aviation regulator has also ordered urgent safety checks of Air India's entire Boeing 787 fleet. The black box has been recovered, but it could take days to retrieve and analyse the data.
This decoding of the black box is going to give in-depth insight into what would have actually happened.
Air India's owner, the Tata Group, has offered $180,000 in compensation for each victim, but families want accountability.
तो ये एक गलती है, ये लापरवाही है, ये कोई हादसा नहीं समझता हूँ.
Behind me, some families are finally starting to get the remains of their loved ones. It's a painful step towards closure, and for those still waiting, the uncertainty and the silence is unbearable.
जिसके साथ हुआ है वही समझ सकता है कि क्या हुआ. मेरी पूरी भाई की एक जनरेशन खत्म हो गई. उसके साथ कितने लोग जुड़े हुए थे, सब खत्म एक 30 सेकंड की वजह से. सिर्फ 30 सेकंड.